Hey guys, what's happening? How to delete WhatsApp message for everyone after deleting for me. So let's say for example you sent a message, right? And let's say you wanted to delete that message, right? You hold that message and you wanted to delete it, right? And hit that trash icon on the bottom left, and you're gonna be able to delete for everyone and delete for me. And by accident you selected delete for me. So how do I retract that, right? How do I go back from this? What you're gonna do first, you need to go ahead to the settings at the bottom right, and then go ahead to the chat, right? And after you go to the chat, you're gonna see chat backup right here. Make sure to click it, and make sure that back up your own WhatsApp every time, right? If you backed up your WhatsApp like 2 days or yesterday or 1 day behind, like you actually backed up, or you actually added or archived all of your messages, files, videos, photos, whatever, and you backed it up, you're gonna be able to restore it simply by going back to your screen, hold the WhatsApp, and then hit remove app, the first option, and you're gonna re-download it again from the App Store or Google Play, and then reopen the WhatsApp and log in using your phone number, and then you're gonna be able to go back to the same message, right? Let me go to this message. Where was it? Yeah, I will go to the same message. For example, let me click all, scroll, yeah, to this message, and then I'm gonna hold the same message and then hit delete, click the trash icon at the bottom left, and then you're gonna be able to see the another option. Just because this message has been sent like a while ago, that's why I can't see the for everyone option, but you're gonna be able to see for everyone option, and then you're gonna be able and then you're gonna delete the message permanently from both sides. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.